Hello and welcome to this video. I hope all of you are doing well. In this video, I'll show you how you can make more than $100,000 per year by simply creating ambient music videos. First of all, I am going to show you proof of earning. So if you look here, I have searched a popular channel, Quiet Quest, Study Music on the Social Blade, a website that tells analytics and estimated earnings of channels. And you can see they earn approximately $113.9 thousand per year, which is a huge amount of money. So please, watch the video till the end and follow every step so that you can understand properly how to create these videos for free. Step number 1. Find suitable scenes from Pexels.com. It is a free stock videos and pictures website that provides high-quality footage for use. Look for beautiful and peaceful scenes that are suitable for ambient music videos like the sky. Make sure the scenes are eye-catching so that the viewer enjoys the video as well while meditating. You can download as many clips as you like, and make sure to keep them organized. Step number 2. Choose music from Epidemic Sounds. Epidemic Sounds is a royalty-free music platform that offers a vast selection of music tracks that you can use in your videos without worrying about copyright issues. Choose a music track that is relaxing and soothing and goes well with your chosen scenes. Step number 3. Combine footages and music with Canva. Now it's time to combine your footage and music with Canva. You can also use any video editor of your choice. Canva Video Editor is an easy-to-use video editing tool that offers a wide range of features to create beautiful videos. That's why I use it personally. Now, import your footage and music into Canva and start editing. You can add transitions, text overlays, and other effects to make your video look professional. Step 4. Export and upload to YouTube. Make sure to add a suitable title, description, and tags to your video to make it easier for people to find. Also, share your video on social media platforms to get more views. Just make sure to upload 2 to 3 videos every week and be patient till your YouTube channel is monetized.